Let me ask you something. Have you ever started a long online lesson with full attention at the beginning, only to find your mind drifting away just a few minutes later? This happens to almost everyone. Our brains evolved to process information in small, manageable pieces. When we try to force-feed a long, continuous stream of data, we are essentially fighting our own biology. Microlearning succeeds by aligning content delivery with these natural processing rhythms. Microlearning is the delivery of short, highly focused lessons designed to replace expansive, broad overviews. Each module isolates one specific concept. This restriction ensures the learner focuses on a single, clear step forward. Restricting the size of the input allows a learner to maintain high engagement without burning through their mental energy. By lowering the cognitive barrier to entry, these isolated variables keep students actively participating for much longer periods. Traditional lectures often create high-volume information environments, where hours of content are delivered in a single sitting. When students face this kind of mass information dumping, their ability to actually retain the incoming data plummets. This failure is rarely about a lack of student effort. It is a result of a physical bottleneck, cognitive overload, where the brain simply cannot process the incoming volume. Minimizing the amount of immediate input serves as a necessary structural fix for these biological processing limits. Consider the process of building a professional presentation. This is a complex skill that can be deconstructed into specific milestones. First, you master the ability to structure your ideas. Next, you move to slide design. Finally, you tackle vocal delivery. Breaking an intimidating, massive task into these distinct units makes each requirement feel achievable. Successfully completing these simple steps builds learner confidence, providing the momentum needed to reach the end of the course. Small information chunks also lead to significantly higher rates of long-term memory retention. This chart highlights the 3 phases of memory encoding. Short lessons provide the necessary space to pause, think, and practice. Microlearning encourages deep absorption, whereas rushing through long sessions often leads to only superficial exposure. Providing dedicated time for active processing is the specific mechanism that securely solidifies new information in the mind. Most online students are adults, balancing their education against the distractions of work and family life. The logistical requirements of an hour-long lesson often conflict with the reality of a busy modern schedule. Microlearning modules bridge this gap by requiring only minute-level time commitments that fit into brief windows throughout the day. This accessibility is a critical factor in educational success. If a student can easily start a lesson, they are much more likely to continue. Microlearning involves reorganizing rigorous material into a smarter architectural framework. The volume of knowledge remains the same, but the structure is easier to navigate. Success relies on these 3 core principles: focusing on single ideas, maintaining strict brevity, and providing cognitive space. Removing structural barriers leads to a significant behavioral shift, characterized by much lower course abandonment rates. Lasting educational progress occurs when the lesson format works in harmony with the learner's brain.